Hello, welcome to this video that will present you the AI management platform and API provided by AI Compare. Here is the platform. 6 types of AI technologies are available: vision, text, speech, OCR, translation, and prediction. And for each of these bricks, you can have access to the main technologies available on the market, and you can test performance of different engines. Let's see for object detection. Here you can choose the file you want from your data you want to test. You select the providers, the engines, and you can launch the benchmark. And here you will be able to visualize the results from the different engines here. And additionally, we provide Genius functionality, which is our smart combination of the results from all engines. So we just saw an example of pre-trained API, but we also offer access to custom models. Let's see custom vision. So here you can create a new model when you will be able to import your own dataset and then set up your parameters and train your model with multiple engines. Here we can select all the engines, and the training is launched directly on our platform for all the engines. Once the training is over, you will receive a notification like this, and then you can access to the performance and results of the different engines here for your model. And moreover, you can deploy and use your model on the platform. So this platform is useful for prototyping. And for the run part, we provide AI Compare API. Here is an example with a Chinese tender. Here first we use AI Compare OCR API, and we choose Google Cloud Engine. We get the results here, and then we use AI Compare Translation API, choosing Microsoft Azure Engine, and then we use the AI Compare Keyword Extraction API using the AWS Engine. So as you see, AI Compare API allows you to use AI engines in production with provider as a parameter. For example, here I can just change and put IBM engine, and it will use IBM technology to do the translation part. Moreover, you can set up a fallback engine in case the main one is down, so that you can ensure your process not to be interrupted. Let's go back on the platform. So with the AI management platform, you can monitor restriction and consumption for all your data team. In fact, you can manage here cost, region, and technology restrictions. Moreover, we offer to our users the possibility to monitor and visualize all costs centralized here, costs from different providers and technologies. Finally, with the AI Compare platform, you do not have to subscribe to any provider. Every services are distributed by us, but in case you have accounts from providers that you want to use, you can put your own keys on the platform and use your accounts. So this is the end of the video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.